Join Zablon as we go deeper into another level. Many customers have been facing a problem of hard start in the morning. If you have your motor cycle TVS 100 and you can hardly start it in the morning, you need to kick it numerous times for it to get on. Now, this is the easier way to avoid it. Open your carburetor or go to the technician or the artisan you are the man or the person you trust most. Go and check the lock in the middle of throttle needle. Throttle needle, if the lock is not in the center, there are two types of needle. Another needle of 5 spaces, lock spaces. Another one has 3 lock spaces. If your bike, if you open up the top cover of carburetor cap, you will get into a throttle, remove the lock, then get to the needle and check where is the lock. The lock must be at the center. If it's five spaces, lock sitters, put it on the third one. Make sure the central space, ensure that the lock is there. If you put it to the first or second or fourth or fifth, automatically your bike will have a hard start. If you kick it, it may start, but it will need more time for idling before it starts accepting acceleration. And if it's a three lock seater, make sure you put to the second one, the central one. If you don't do so, the same will apply. You'll have to kick several times without accelerating. If you accelerate, if it happens to start, if you accelerate, it will go off. So I want you to make sure that your bike is intact, stable, and ready to serve you without having million of problems. Stay blessed. I love you.